Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious shrimp and chicken Alfredo, step by step. First, let's get organized. You will need 1 pound of shrimp, 2 chicken breasts, and your favorite pasta. Cook the pasta according to the package instructions until al dente. While that is cooking, mince 3 cloves of garlic and chop about 1/4 cup of fresh parsley for later. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Now, let's cook our proteins. Season your 2 chicken breasts generously with salt, pepper, and a blend of Italian herbs. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Cook the chicken for about 5 to 7 minutes per side until it is golden brown and fully cooked. Remove the chicken, then quickly sauté the shrimp for just 2 to 3 minutes per side until they turn pink and opaque. The heart of this dish is the creamy Alfredo sauce. In the same skillet, melt 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter over medium heat. Whisk in 2 cups of heavy cream, bringing it to a gentle simmer. Do not boil. Gradually add 1 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, stirring continuously until the sauce is smooth and slightly thickened. A pinch of salt and pepper will enhance the flavor beautifully. Finally, it is time to bring everything together. Add your cooked pasta, sliced chicken, and sautéed shrimp directly into the rich Alfredo sauce. Toss everything gently to ensure every piece is beautifully coated. Garnish generously with your freshly chopped parsley. Serve this delightful shrimp and chicken Alfredo immediately while it is warm for the best possible taste and enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.